In traditional electronic devices, mechanical switches have long been core components. However, they are now being gradually replaced by membrane switches. What's the reason? Let's talk about it. With a thickness typically under 1 mm and a weight just 1/10 of mechanical switches, membrane switches can conform to curved surfaces. This makes them ideal for compact devices like smartwatches and foldable smartphones. Membrane switches are made of PC or PET. They can work well due to silver paste printed circuits. Membrane switches can withstand over 1 million presses. The fully sealed structure resists moisture, dust, and chemical corrosion, so they can work well in harsh environments, such as medical equipment and industrial control systems. By silkscreen printing, membrane switches support any shape, pattern, or backlight design. You can integrate display windows, LED indicators, or metal domes to enhance tactile feedback, meeting diverse customization needs. Membrane switches use 70% less metal components than mechanical switches, reducing energy consumption during production. They also enable quick repairs and replacement, significantly lowering lifecycle maintenance costs for electronic products. With the continuous development of membrane switches, the innovative solution will continue to redefine human-machine interfaces, empowering next-generation electronics with good look and versatility. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.